Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change the currency on your website in Burdu. This is especially useful if you're planning to expand your sales to international markets. You can set the website currency to match your target market. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel, hit the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our other tutorials. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Settings, then General. Here, you'll see a list of available currencies you can choose from. But before switching, there are a few things you need to know, especially when changing between non-decimal and decimal currencies. For example, when you change from a non-decimal currency like Japanese yen to a decimal currency like US dollars, the system will automatically divide the price by 100. And the opposite happens too. If you change from a decimal currency to a non-decimal currency, the system will multiply the price by 100. Let's try a few examples so it's clearer. Open the product editor in a new tab. Let's say I edit this ergonomic travel backpack. Right now, the price is 20,000 yen. Now let's go back and change the store currency from Japanese yen to USD. Save it, then refresh the product editor page. Notice here, the price is now showing as $200. Why? Because when converting from a non-decimal currency like yen to a decimal currency like USD, the number is divided by 100. So, 20,000 yen becomes $200. Now let's try changing from one decimal currency to another decimal currency. From USD, switch to GBP or British pounds. Save it, and refresh the product editor page. Notice that the numeric value stays at 200, only the currency symbol changes. That's because both USD and GBP are decimal-based currencies, so no multiplication or division happens. Finally, let's try switching from a decimal back to a non-decimal currency. For example, I'll change the product to 200 pounds and 1 penny. Remember, decimals in international currencies use a dot, not a comma. Now click Save, and let's change the store currency to Indonesian rupiah. This is one of the non-decimal currencies. Save it, and refresh the product page. Now the price becomes 20,001 rupiah. Because when switching from decimal to non-decimal, the system multiplies the value by 100. So remember, non-decimal to decimal means divide by 100. Decimal to non-decimal means times 100. Decimal to decimal means value stays the same. From this, we can understand that changing the currency doesn't actually convert the value using exchange rates. It simply adjusts the numeric format. That's why it's best to decide on your store currency from the very beginning, or at least when creating products, to avoid incorrect prices later. And that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow us on social media for more helpful content. See you in the next one.